Welcome to HWM Aston Martin Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to show you this lovely V12 5.2 litre Vantage that we've just taken to stock. Super low mileage, just over 2,000 miles, one owner from new. And I'm going to give you a bit of a rundown over the V12 and the differences between the standard Vantage and the Vantage V12. Enjoy. So the V12 Vantage is 40 centimetres wider than the standard Vantage. What you'll notice at the front is the air intakes are enhanced. So this particular model has the bright veined grille, which I think looks lovely. The colour itself, Supernova red, beautiful colour, beautiful striking colour, and that complements on the lower with the carbon fibre splitter. Again, the definition of the carbon fibre, all the central weave, absolutely beautiful. Moving down the side, so this particular model from factory came with the 21-inch satin black wheels in a Y-spoke. It looks lovely. Again, what is different from the standard Vantage is that the Vantage V12 comes standard with carbon ceramic brakes. This one behind the alloy is a optional silver brake caliper as well. So the car also comes with the carbon fibre side sills, very dramatic down the side of the car, giving that wide body design feature with the carbon fibre. We have got colour-coded wing mirrors as well. What I really like in this car, it's got a traditional look, so it does have the bright upper and again clear glass. In addition, the previous owners of this car has put front PPF onto the car as well, so it helps with stone chips and any light scuffs. So another distinguishing factor from the standard Vantage, comparing it to the V12 Vantage, is this particular car comes with the Aero Pack. That increases by 216 kgs of downforce. So again, giving you that kind of sports car track kind of presence at the back of the car. Again, tipped with carbon fibre. This particular car comes with the Aston Martin silver badging, and again the carbon fibre package on the lower pack kind of comes through the back of the car with the centre dual exhausts. Stepping inside the Vantage V12, one thing you'll notice straight away is going to be the carbon bucket seats. Again, such a great feature for the car. It kind of sets it off with that sporty kind of look to it. It is cased in carbon fibre, and then you have your aniline leather and Alcantara on the inside. This particular car comes with a silver Argento stitch, which runs through the centre console and also the seat. In addition, it has a carbon fibre inlay, again a centre console with the carbon fibre weave, glass buttons, 360 camera. We do also have an Alcantara roof lining as well, which is a lovely feature, and the all-important carbon fibre steering wheel. So that's got the carbon fibre touches along with the Alcantara, giving it that sportier presence. Thanks for watching the short video on the V12 Vantage 5.2. Feel free to reach out to anybody at HWM Aston Martin. Our link is below on the website. Or feel free to give us a call and we're happy to discuss the car in a bit more detail.